see if I can get it in here. Ooh. It's tough. It's okay. There you go. Bigger hole.
Stuart is chiseling in a new door handle.
To replace our ancient one back from the 1905.
That is old.
Yeah. Look at the new plates. See the difference? Wow.
Huge
Same kind
difference.
of setup though. Pretty similar. Alright. So now let's see. Hammer this in. Good. Got some screws. I'm going to put in 2 to mount this guy in. So I just used a bigger hole bit so that this can actually be revealed because it was covered with the wood before. So now we're good. You can use the Phillips screwdriver and crank in a few screws here to mount this plate. Actually, looks like they got some bigger heads. So make sure you use the bigger heads, not the small ones. This is without even looking at the directions. So you just grab the one with the bigger head. There you go. And it'll fit flush like a washer. There we go. Now we can work on putting in the strike plate. Save the other 2 big heads. Right. Strike plate. Oh, sweet, are you making a bunch of little videos? Or
Just one whole one.
just one hole? Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now we're going to line that up as best we can. So we're going to line this up. Hole in the center. We can even throw this through to verify that everything's nice and lined up. We're going to send some screws through there right now. Pretty fast and easy. So that's why they call us locksmiths, because we can take any door and lock it up. And I actually want to tighten this down so I can test it. Right here, I'm going to tighten down the handle. Right when I find the exact length that I'm looking for. Throw this one through. You're going to want this. There. So, what's happening is this flat part needs to line up with the center of your door, which it is now. Once it's lined up with the center of the lock, you can tighten it down so it won't go anywhere. Now you can send it through and screw it down. See? Even. So we can get a better estimate for a couple screws we're going to put in here. Nice and flush. Right there. One. And it's just kind of like taking off a car rim, go across from it. Alternating the lug nuts. You kind of do that with the screws. Same concept. This is going to look nice and pretty with the diamond glass handle. It's actually glass handle. It's kind of interesting. Never seen anything like it. Now we're going to do the other side. Same thing. We're going to hold this side and screw it on. Now this is if you're remodeling old homes. This is the best way to go. Keep the system that they have, because replacing a whole new handle with the brand new style would actually be a problem. Let's see here. I just need to tighten it. It'll actually be a problem because they hollow out the center of the door. The door will be useless if you don't use a similar style. And Menards had it, so didn't have to go dumpster diving. And our friends are moving in tomorrow, so didn't want to check for anything at the Habitat for Humanity because we want them to be able to have a door. Actually, this is for me and my wife. We're moving upstairs, and we want our privacy ASAP. So our daughter's finally gonna have her own room. Okay. So I can actually loosen this up a bit because it's a little too tight. We actually want the handle to come off of the door just a little bit so it doesn't hit anything else. There we go. Don't want it grinding, don't want it too tight. Okay, there we go. That's better. You can see the spring in action. Here's the key. Let's test that out. I'm not sure how those work. There we go. Bam. Okay. Plus it gives it that nice Victorian look. Right. That's just how it is on this side. Because I think, I don't know if we're going to be able to change that. At least the key still gets in there. Weird, it's just the way it's set up. The key's going to be in a weird spot on there. Not like we're going to be using the key that much. Because Alexander's always taking a nap. Oops, didn't even follow my own order. I'm going to do that. It shows either way it works. Okay. Last thing I have to do is the strike plate. This will be fast and easy. Okay. Let's see how it lines up. So now we're going to take the strike plate and put it right about there. So I'm going to mark it. Let's see. Ooh, actually it's gotta be perfect. Wow. We're gonna have to mark it with a pencil. Or this old guy. Let's see. Right. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. Now we got our marks. So we can take this off. This old setup completely off. With our T-side. This is super old. We might have to chisel out a whole new section depending on where our strike plate lines up. But now where did I drop that strike plate? Let's see. Strike plate, where did you go? That's right. Behind
There's nothing there. Oh.
a chisel. Simply line it up to our marks. This is what we got. We got a whole bunch. Chisel out here, and here, and here. Just making marks. Alright, so we're gonna get that stuff out ASAP. So, take your chisel, line it up, cut it out. Oops. Sings my soul. Just clearing it out, making this one a little deeper because that's where the bolt goes. Because we haven't decided what age we want to teach Alexandra sex ed, so. And Sephora. Okay, let's see how we're lining up now. Looks good. Ooh, actually, looks like just need a little bit. Right here. Woo. So I'm using, I believe it's less than half. Is this my quarter chisel? This is my 1/4 inch chisel, which is perfect for these kind of old locks, bolts. It's like the exact width. Let's see how that works. Give it a test run. Actually, I'm gonna want a longer screw. What do we got? Looks like we got this. That should be just fine. Because it is a little too short. Maybe we can go drywall screw though. Just a longer drywall screw, which is exactly what I got. Keep it the same bit so it can be quick exchange. Don't do the star bit. Just go a little. If you don't have any wood to catch, drywall screw will be just fine. You can always come back and change it. Let's see how we're doing. I wonder if it's catching.
Nope. I should get on the other side in case it locks.
You should be good. So it is working. It's just I want that screwed in more up top. Okay. And I don't know what's happening down low, but we're gonna check again with that key. So that's just right. Nice, easy close.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It works.
Looks like that's good. I don't know how far does this guy come out? Okay.
Right.
All right.
Good job.
Done.